Here's a look at everything you get inside of this Let's Resin Squishies Animal Kit. Show it to you, everything inside of here. You get a nice box of a whole lot of different things. So lots of gloves right here to keep your hands clean. Got these little fluffy balls. Got your different colors right here. You got some measuring cups. As you can see right here, different measurements on there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 5 of those, it looks like. Let's just keep going, see what else we get. So right here we've got the mold. So there's a look at the mold. Different shapes that you'll get. Some bags right here. How many is there? 4 of them, I think. Yeah, you get 4 bags right there. What's left? And then we got just this box left in here. How does this thing open? There we go. And inside of here, you got your A and your B bottles. Nicely wrapped in plastic so they haven't spilled or anything like that. Get a little bit of a manual right there. And the last things we're looking at is popsicle sticks and mixing sticks, you know, whatever you want to call those. And these guys. That's everything you get in the kit. Pretty cool, pretty fun. Think you'll be happy with it.